after we have completed our opening para, we need to start the next para, that is our account of events. So, how you can start this para? Like the function began with the prayer sung by the school students, or the function began with the Saraswati Vandana, or the function began with the lamp lighting ceremony. Then, then our school's principal welcomed the chief guest, and then we tell about the purpose or the aim or the motive of our function. Like the purpose of this program was to aware or to motivate or to create awareness among the students about that will be related to the topic. And then we tell how our school's hall was decorated. The school's hall or the building was beautifully adorned or decorated or illuminated with the flowers, slogans, banners, or posters. Then we tell about how the students were looking. The students, like there was a great enthusiasm among the students and were looking highly spirited. Or you can mention students were looking vigorously or highly enthusiastic, passionate, ardent, exuberant, imaginative. Then there was a great rush. We tell about the people or the audience or the gathering, like there was a great gathering, there was a good gathering. Then students performed fabulously. Like how were their performances? So they performed fabulously. Students presented colorful program like dance, drama, songs, fancy dance show, and a magic show. It was highly appreciated or applauded by everybody. It was unforgettable program. It was unique experience to be there. Means it was a great experience being there. The students were served with light refreshment. Then we tell about the refreshment. If you have a topic regarding trade fair or Republic Day, then you can even mention security was tight and there was a proper arrangement for each and everything. There was a proper. The chief guest delivered or gave a very motivating speech, very inspiring speech on this occasion about the role of youth for saving our environment. If your issue or your report is regarding environment, then you can mention this line. Then we tell what he directed, guided, or instructed to the people. So he directed or instructed that students or people should do. You can complete the line according to your heading. Then we are writing our concluding para. This is the last para. How we conclude our report writing. The program or function or seminar was brought to an end or was ended with the speech of our beloved principal. He expressed his gratitude to the chief guest, or in simple words you can write he thanked the chief guest, experts, invited guests, students, teachers for making this program a great success. The program was ended with a vote of thanks. Means, or is there either out of these you can write any. The program was ended with a vote of thanks presented by our principal. Then we tell about that our purpose of celebration was fulfilled or not. The purpose for which it was organized or celebrated seemed or appeared to be completed or fulfilled. Means whatever the purpose was there to celebrate this function, finally it was like completed. Some students or people who were asked, they told that it was entertaining as well as educative or full of awareness. Means when feedback was taken from the students or the people or the audience, so they told that it was entertaining, it was educative, it was full of awareness. So like this students, you can complete your report writing, and you can even add the last line that the program was ended with the recitation of national anthem.